Hey guys, it's Adam McDonald from the Auto Therapist here at Waverley Mitsubishi. I'm here with one of the many great vehicles that we currently have. This 2017 Acura ILX right behind me. Under 50,000 kilometers on the clock, and it drives like a dream. I cannot wait to show you a more in-depth look, so let's hop right into it. Taking a look on the outside of this Acura ILX, you can see this blue color absolutely pops. Now these 17-inch noise-reducing alloy wheels give it a luxury feel and a wonderful sporty look. These LED are actually jewel-eye LEDs that give a unique appearance to the front headlights. Now underneath that hood is a 2.4 four-cylinder engine making over 200 horsepower, and that's all hooked up to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with paddle shifters. Now this ILX body style is refined and catches the eye, but it does not stop there. It has the interior to match. So let's take a peek. Alright, now entering this ILX, you can see this vehicle is very, very clean. Now the premium package and plus package has been added to this particular vehicle. It gives you an array of extra features including perforated leather memory seats, collision mitigation braking system, lane keep assist, blind spot warning, sunroof, rear cross traffic alert, just to name a few. You can see the multi-screen for easy use and connectivity as well. Once again guys, this was Adam McDonald from the Auto Therapist here at Waverley Mitsubishi. Now I'd love to show you this 2017 Acura ILX as it's one of my favorites that we currently have, or we have over 100 used vehicles in the inventory, making it very, very easy to find the right vehicle for you. So take care for now, and we'll see you next time.